Hi, I'm freelancer. I'm a digital marketer and Facebook ads campaign expert. I have a small agency. I work in multiple marketplaces. My focus is client, company, and business grow. Please order now. Or you can't expand your business, or you can't sell your product, or you can't get follower like view on your page. This video for you. I will promote your business through Facebook ads campaign. I will sell your product from your website through Facebook ads campaign. I will bring follower and like view to your page through Facebook ads campaign. Special service, credit, employment, housing, social issue, election, politics. Let's solve this problem in this type of ad campaign. I also focus on the targeted audience to increase sales. I also set up retargeting ad campaign, lookalike ad campaign, and conversion ad campaign to sales increase. Will be done according to your needs. Ad campaign, please order now.